vlogging up in this jazz.
Vlogging?
Vlogging. Vlogging.
Hello there.
Get in the...
Hello there, world. I don't see Cadillac on here, so.
We're at
What
the
do you
car
mean you don't
show.
see Cadillac
See
on
it in
here?
there. Currently walking into the car show. It's amazing.
Like,
Ah! She punched me. She saw a punch buggy. We are currently about to go on a simulator. It's gonna be cool. It's for driving.
yeah, because we're so good.
She ran out of time. I was so bad at that. I just kept hitting.
She was so seriously spinning in circles. She didn't even finish the course. She ran out of time.
It was hard. I went super fast because it was just a game. I won't drive like that in real life. I think.
Maybe. Ooh, I like that.
We're about to go see the famous cars.
Yeah, there's a lot of cool cars. Oh my god.
Back to the Future, Bumblebee, Lightning McQueen.
We'll show them.
Sorry. We're currently looking at license plates, and I think this one's for me. That's so me. So Haley's grandpa, technically both our grandpas, because we're twins, cousins, wife and husband. He bought us these cool antique license plates that say Zoinks on them.
Oh, well, you guys can't. Oh, turn it around.
It says Zoinks.
Yeah, I didn't want it to be backwards for you guys.
And we're looking at the rest of the car show. It's not that bad, but the cars we want to go in, we can go in, which is kind of dumb, but we can live. We are currently in a car.
This is a car that we really like. It's got a lot of cool features.
Yeah.
Like this gun box. You can fit multiple guns in there. This hole. You can see as my finger goes through it. Yeah, and the seats go all the way back, so it's got everything.
It's an 8-seater. It's really nice.
It's a 7-seater.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, 7-seater. Let's see, I counted, but it's okay. And there's like a one-person car over there, and it's really weird. One-person car.
Like a Japanese movie or something.
For real.
Let's go check it out.
We just won this game thing, and I got choice of my prize, and I picked mint. And she got an ice scraper, but she didn't want the ice scraper, so they gave her mint.
They gave me the mint anyways.
And we're currently in a working car. I currently found my dream car. It's a Hyundai or Honda?
Hyundai.
It's a Hyundai Tuscan. It is
Tucson.
Tucson, whatever. It's really nice. I like it. There's currently a mouse with earphones in from that Kia commercial. Love that for him with a passion. We are currently in the presence of Lil Uzi's cars, so we're gonna show you them. They really are. The matte
I like
green.
them. They're matte.
Matte green is really nice. There's this really nice ass car here.
It's got crystals on it. It's crystals.
It really is. Look how beautiful that is. We just left the car show. We are currently on the train back home.
It's a long ride.
We have like 10 stops, but it's whatever. And we're going back to Haley's house. I'm sleeping over her house.
It's 9 stops.
I was supposed to say 10. Okay, see you there. hey guys, back at Haley's house. It's the next day, and we're about to end the vlog. So thanks for watching.